shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy B Smooth, back at it one more time. Alright, I've been having a little problem. I got like little ashy, little plastic pieces on my truck. Alright, as y'all see, the truck, it pretty tough. I love it. You know, like I say, man, it came out wonderful, man. Big shout out to BB Cuz on that one, man. It came out wonderful. So what I just did was I ran up here to AutoZone and I grabbed this stuff here. It's this Black Magic Factory Black. So hopefully we're gonna try to put some of this on the truck, and we're gonna see if it brings out like all of the plastic pieces, bring it out, make it, you know, look more blackish, more shiny-ish. You know, because right now just looking all dull, man, and that dull look just ain't cool. You know, it kind of throw the whole concept of the truck off. I mean, if it pulls it out and, you know, and bring it back, then, you know, I'll be grateful for that. But if not, then, yeah, gotta think of something else. So we're gonna see just how good this product is, y'all. This right here gonna basically be a product testing, because I don't know. So we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna try it on the door handles, on the side mirrors that's on the truck. Just about anything on there that's black and ashy. Yeah, we're gonna try it like that. Cause we need everything to pop and look good. And like I say, stay tuned. We're gonna get on into this. And oh yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, this one time I just look all dull. I gotta clean some of this off. A little overspray. But it's just so dull there. So we're gonna see, could we could bring that back to a nice black shiny with this stuff here. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see what's coming in here. You have gloves in here, and I guess this is the application. So let's see here. Alright, so basically, just put a little bit on a little nice little towel. I guess like a little cloth, like a fire cloth or something. You can just wipe it. You let it dry for 15 minutes, and then just add another coat. We're gonna give it a shot, y'all. Black Magic. I gotta clean some of this off. So, yeah, as you can see, it actually works. It's been about a good 20 minutes now. And it actually works. I couldn't really clean this one too much. It had so much overspray. I tried to sand it and it didn't work, so we're just gonna leave that alone. I may end up changing it, just changing all of them, but for the meantime, it actually works pretty damn good. It actually works, so we're gonna just keep going around. All right, YouTube, I'm coming back. I just did mirrors this side, and like I must say, still, I'll probably hit this. Some of this stuff gonna have to be replaced, like, I mean, a lot of stuff, but it actually stopped it from being ashy. Actually looked pretty good. This side here was the first side I did mirrors and stuff, and I also did up here a little to the spots I can get to. But it looks a lot fucking better, man. I hate that door looking look, but little cheap little $9. $9 man. And it was worth $9. Probably a little more. I mean, it came out wonderful. Gotta wash the truck and stuff, but like I say, this right here is overspray, so that has even these little marks here is overspray. But as for what it is, man, it actually look pretty good. So yeah, I'll probably hit this back here and this right here and the side. And I mean, you can't beat the price. $10. $10. So you can't beat the price. So hey, it's a pass in my book, man. Well, I'm finna get the rest of this done, y'all. Finna get the rest of this done. Hey, like I say, y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all like and subscribe. All right, guys, as you can see, 3 days later, it's still working. A little dirt down there, don't worry about that, but still working, no ashy. 3 days later, the washed everything, and it's still, I still gotta hit that back over. I didn't. Basically ran out of it. But yeah, 3 days later and it's still shining. I mean, I had to wash the truck and everything one time and it's still shining. So, you know, that right there, that just scratches. You can't pull that out. All right, well, as you can see, people, I mean, Black Magic, all right, it works. All right, the Black Magic, little plastic, well, whatever it is, reconditioning, whatever, it works. I mean, I applied it on there with a little sponge-like thing. Instead of me using a cloth, I use a sponge. And that sponge actually made it so, I mean, I used that sponge just about on half of the whole truck. And it didn't take much chemical because that sponge gonna absorb it and spread it out real good. I bought it from AutoZone, like I say, $10, $9-10, whatever it was. But it works, it works. So if you got ashy parts on your car that's black, you know, I know many people got it. When little black parts on your car get ashy, you know, hit it with that stuff there, man. And like I say, that right there, 3 days later, it's still shining. And I mean, it been raining pretty good down here. So, I mean, it's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. I mean, it actually act like a rain repellent or something. Don't put it on your car now, but, you know, you can put it on a little plastic piece with it, but don't put it on your car. It definitely act like a repellent. Because as I was washing, I just could see the rain, well, the water and the rain and every damn thing else, whatever liquid just rolled completely off it. So, it definitely got some kind of repellent in it. I ain't no rocket science, so that ain't got nothing to do with me. But like I say, for the price, can't beat it. Product, very easy to use. So, like I say, it get a pass in my book, man. $10, you can't beat it. You won't have no ashy dent in your truck no more, or a car, or whatever ashy. So, I say go for it, try it. Right now, I'm currently out here in the rain, shooting a little quick little video, man, while I got some little free time at work. So, hey. Like I say, y'all like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Y'all be easy, man.
I remember when I was hurting, yeah. Now I'm just out here working, popping this shit on purpose. I just might go buy my girl a Birkin. Leather and wood behind that lag tent. I got a country accent, sipping it bourbon, serving this all like my young nigga 30. Come out the dirty, straight out the wood sticks. You know what it is. I really be working. I'm not around 'cause nigga, I really be working, nigga.